Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm pixieraimua and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get this Iron Man inspired look. So it's just really fun with ombre eyebrows and a glitter lip and glitter liner. If you are liking this Marvel series, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as I will be posting loads more. I've already done Killmonger from Black Panther, so I will pop that up there in the cards for you. I'll leave all of my handles down below for Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram and Vero. It's just pixieraimua everywhere. Don't forget to subscribe. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so as you can see I'm starting today with my base on. So I've got Revlon Colour Stay Foundation in Buff. I'm wearing Hoola bronzer with the Makeup Revolution Ingot highlighter in the shade Platinum. So it's this one. I'm just going to zoom you in. Okay, so for Iron Man I am going to be concentrating on reds and yellows and golds. To begin, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Iconic Division palette. And on a fluffy brush I'm going to dip into the yellow and start running that into the crease. And then I'm going to bring that onto the lid here. And then I'm just going to run that colour under my eyes as well. And then I'm going to go in with the Lasting Perfection by Collection. And then on a flat brush I'm just going to take that and start carving out the crease. We're just going to do like a half cut crease. Okay, like so, and I did just set that down with some loose powder. Okay, and with the other side of that flat brush, I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just going to start placing that where we put the concealer down. I'm going to take the yellow again and just start to blend this together. And going back in with the red shade just under the eyes. And then taking the fluffy brush and just blending together. And then taking the glitter eyeliner by Stargazer. I'm just going to place that into the corners of my eyes just to give a little highlight. And then for eyeliner I'm going to take my NYX Epic Ink liner. Okay, and then just taking a black core pencil and lining the tight line. Taking the gold glitter liner again, I'm going to start placing that over the top of the black. Sorry, my husband's playing FIFA if you can hear shouting. Okay, and then using the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. I'm just going to pop a light coating of that on and then we'll do some lashes as well. Okay, and then I'm going to take the Primark Sultry lashes. Okay, and we're going to do something quite fun with the eyebrows today. So I'm taking a dupe for the Smashbox Flash palette, I think it's called, so it's just the eye magic one. Sorry that it's so dirty, I take this on photo shoots with me a lot. We're going to be using the red and yellow shades. So just on this fine brush, I'm going to go in with the red. I'm going to put the red on the ends and the yellows towards the middle, so like opposite to the eye. That yellow isn't actually quite yellow enough, so I'm going to go in with the NYX Vivid Brights in Vivid Halo. Like so. So I've sort of blended the eyebrows so they're like an ombre. So this is the eyes. Okay guys, and then for the lips, I'm going to go in with MAC's Ruby Woo. And to tidy up around the edges, I'm going to go in with the MAC Cherry Lip Liner. Okay, like so, I absolutely love this red lipstick. It's probably one of my favourite red lipsticks. It's just so vibrant and it's like a bluey red, so it really suits my skin tone. And I'm just going to go in again with the gold eyeliner, and we're going to pop some onto the centre of the lips and sort of ombre it out. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Okay guys, so I really hope you liked this Iron Man inspired look. Iron Man is probably my favourite. I really enjoyed doing this one for you guys. I just thought it would be fun to do something different with the eyebrows as well. So if you did like this video, please give us a huge thumbs up. Don't forget that I've got plenty more coming along the way, so if you just hit that subscribe button down below, and also the notification button, the little bell, if you click that, then you'll be notified every time that I post. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!